This is Joha rice, which is a variety of rice, grown in India, notable for its aroma, delicate, and excellent taste. Assam is the largest cultivator of this rice. As far as I know, there are 3 traditional types of Joha rice, available in Assam: Tulsi Joha, Kali Joha, and Manki Joha. This rice is specially used for preparing dish, like sweet rice, pulao, and biryani. Here I am showing how sweet rice can be prepared with Joha rice. For preparing the dish, small amount of green cardamom, black cardamom, bay leaves, kishmish, cashew nut paste, and coconut paste is required. At first I am wetting the rice in water for 2 hours. This Joha rice is newly cultivated rice, so I am cooking the rice in a pressure cooker. If the rice is old, then no need to cook in a pressure cooker. For 300 grams of Joha rice, I am boiling 2 liters of milk. Now adding bay leaf, tejpatta, for added taste, with the boiling milk. Please boil the milk in low steam, otherwise if overheated the milk might get burned, and the whole dish will get spoiled. Now mixing the boiled Joha rice, and stirring the boiling milk with the Joha rice. Adding small amount of grinded green cardamom, Chhoti Elaichi. Now adding the coconut paste and the cashew nut paste with the dish, and stirring it slowly in low steam, for a few minutes. Adding Kishmish, also known as raisin, and dried grape. Sugar is also required to make the dish sweet. Adding Kali Elaichi, also known as black cardamom, hill cardamom, which is said to have a strong camphor-like flavor, with a smoky character. Crushing it a bit, before adding with the dish. Lastly, adding pure cow ghee, for a super taste, and stir it properly, till it is mixed with the whole dish. The dish should be served hot. If the dish becomes cold, and cannot be served at the right time, then just boil small amount of milk, and pour it over the dish, and mixed it properly, and served it hot.